everyone, welcome to our podcast. I'm Amel together with Mesha, and today we are asking, should homework be banned?
Hi listeners, this is a topic that students everywhere debate all the time. To make it more fun, we've invited three guest stars and join to us today. Kevin, Joy, and Sabrina.
Please welcome our guest star for today.
Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Okay guys, let's jump right in. Sabrina, as a student, what do you think about banning homework?
Thanks, Mesha. I believe homework should be banned. It's important to review, listen, and prepare for exam. Without practice, students may easily forget.
I personally agree, but I thinking homework should be released too much. Homework creates stress and prevents student from resting. Balance is the key.
I'm more on Sabrina's side. Homework is builds responsibility and discipline. If there is no homework, students won't study at all outside school.
Important point you shared. But don't you know, some people say that homework makes students lose their creativity. What do you guys think about that?
Yes, and don't forget, many students complain that homework takes away their family time.
That's true, but I still think the solution is smarter homework, not banning it. Teachers should assign creative tasks like project or problem solving, not just worksheet.
Exactly, one meaningful project is better than 10 repetitive exercises. Homework should be limited and usable and endless.
But repetition is sometimes necessary, especially for math or language. Without enough practicing, students cannot build strong skills.
So Joy, what you're saying is that practice, even if feel repetitive, is still important, right?
But then, what about stress? Many students say they stay up late just to finish homework. Isn't that unhealthy?
I agree it can be stressful, but banning it completely is too extreme. Instead, school should give later, more balanced assignment.
I think homework should also respect student time. Maybe set maximum limit per subject per week, so it does not overload us.
That's a good idea, Kevin. But students need to learn time management. Sometimes the problem is not too much homework, but poor planning.
That's a fair point, Joy, but don't you think teenagers also deserve more time for hobbies and their social life?
Right, education isn't only about books and grades. It's also about personal growth and experience outside the classroom.
I agree with that. That's why I think we should improve the type of homework. Creative, practical, and not too much.
Yes, and homework should connect to real life. For example, making a smile project, reading, relaxation, or doing research, not just copy as well.
I can accept that as long as homework's meaningful. I think students can benefit from it without too much stress.
Great! It looks like we're actually finding some middle ground here.
Let me summarize. Sabrina thinks homework should stay but be smarter. Kevin says it should be reduced and meaningful.
Enjoy, emphasize discipline, but also agree homework should improve in quality.
Yes, exactly. Homework should stay, but in a better form.
Balance is everything, not too much, not too little.
And homework should be prepare us for real life, not just an exam.
Well said, everyone.
Thank you everyone for sharing your thoughts today.
And of course, thank you listener for tuning in. That's all for today's episode. See you next time.
With another exciting topic. Bye bye.